Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can identify hidden links on your blog or website. So if you are using premium themes but that is downloaded from the internet and you are not paying for the theme, then there is a risk that your theme may contain malware or hidden links. So let's check how we can identify it before using it on your blog or website. So as you can see, I have a website like this, and if you check, there is no hidden links, but we can easily detect some hidden links on this website. So let me quickly install the theme first. So here I have downloaded a theme like this, Spotlight. As you can see, it is looking genuine and we have all the files. Let's go to template, and this is the XML file. Let me open it with Notepad, and as you can see, you have a link like this, paid by, and we have a link here. If you search for this keyword, let me search again, and we have the same link here, and then we have links here, and we have 2 to 3 links, but that is not all. We have more hidden links on this template. So let's check how you can detect that. So for now, let me copy all this code and use it on my blogger website, and let me replace this template. So let me scroll up, and what I do is just copy this word and simply search for this URL and remove it. So here we have this .com. Let's remove that. Let's search again, and we have this link. Let's remove that, and we have the link on the footer section as well. So we are removing all the links that is visible right here. I think all the links are gone. Let me hit save. Let's go to the website and refresh this page. And as you can see, it is looking fine, and we are not detecting any hidden links on this website. Let me open any of the article, and as you can see, there is no links like this, but we can detect hidden links using a Chrome extension. So for this, what I can do is just search for check my links, and here you will find a Chrome extension. Let's add this to Chrome. All right, extension is installed. Let's go to the website, and let me click on the extension. Let me pin it. Now let's click on check my links. Now it will detect all the hidden links on your website. Let's click on view, and here you can see all the links that is added to the website. So here you can see we have website like this, we have not added here, and then you have this link. As you can see, these links are not visible on the website. And let's scroll down. Let's go to the next page. And you can see these are the links that is not added to my website. So you can open any of the link here. So as you can see, it is just an random websites. So you can see this can hurt your rankings. So let me close that, and let me open another link here. And this is the website, same website here. Let's go to the next page. Let's open this, and as you can see, these are the websites that is linking from your website. So it can definitely hurt your rankings. That's why I don't recommend that you should download themes from the internet and directly use it on your blog or website. There are hidden risks on it. So let me go to the theme, and let's click on edit HTML, and let me scroll down and search for any suspicious links. So let's scroll down, and here you can see we have a CSS like this, position fix, G index minus 99 and top minus 99 pixel like this, and we have a class like BSHD. So let me search for this class, and here it is. See, BSHD Karnataka Bangalore. So you can just copy any of the link or let's go to page 2, page 3. Here you can see Karnataka, Bangalore. Just copy this, and you can also find this link on your website. So we have a hidden links like this: A class, B as HD, and then we have this link, but it is not visible in the front end. That's because we have a hidden CSS code that is hiding all these links. So let's scroll off to the CSS section, and let me remove this. Let me hit save and check if this link is visible. Let's go to the website and refresh. And as you can see, we have a link like this here, then we have link here as well, and then we have links here. So as you can see, there is a lot of links hidden on our website, but it is not visible due to CSS files. So as you can see, we have hidden links here as well, hidden links here as well. So let's remove all these links. So for this, what I can do is simply search for any of the link fridge, and you can see this is encoded like this domain.com. So we can just copy this code .com and simply search for it. Now you will find all the hidden links. So just select the whole A tag. Let's remove all these. Let me find it again, and as you can see, we have hidden links in the breadcrumbs as well. Let's find it again, and then we have links here, and then we have links here. As you can see, we have a deep section as well. Let's remove this deep section. You can also copy this class and search for it as well. So a lot of hidden links on this theme. All right, we have removed all these links. Now let me hit save. Now let me refresh this web page and see if these links are gone from our website. So you can see a lot of links added. Let's refresh. Now all these links are gone. So you can see all links are gone. Now let me click on extension, and it will check the links again. All right, let me click on this view link, and here you can check for if there is any hidden links again. Let's click on here. All right, all the hidden links are now gone. You can also check for external links. If you don't want that, you can remove those external link as well. So this is pretty helpful. Make sure to use this extension. So here you can also track the redirects as well. So if a link is redirecting to a different source, then you can check that links as well. And then you have invalid links or warning links like this. So this is how you can identify hidden links on your blogger website. So make sure to test your theme first before using it on your blogger website. So I recommend that you should go for premium blogger themes, where you can definitely avoid this type of mess on your website. I hope you have found something new in this video, and if you do, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.